Hello, Sean. Today we're going to teach you how to find the domain of two functions. Alright, so our first one is the function of x equals 5x plus 7 over 2x plus 3. Now, the first thing that we know is that 2x plus 3 cannot equal 0. So let's just write that down for a second. 2x plus 3 cannot equal 0. And that is because 2x plus 3 is in the denominator. And what happens if you have a 0 in the denominator? It's undefined. So, we know that 2x plus 3 cannot equal 0, so therefore 2x is not equal to negative 3, and we get that, of course, by subtracting 3 from both sides. So then, our next step is to divide 2 by each side, which we get x is not equal to negative 3 over 2. Okay, so next, we get our answer, which is negative infinity, comma, negative 3 over 2, union, excuse me, negative 3 over 2 to positive infinity. And so basically, what this is saying is that because x cannot equal negative 3 over 2, the domain is everything except negative 3 over 2. So that's the answer to the first equation, or to the first function. So, howdy, Mr. Lieblang. We're moving on to our second function now, which is g of x is equal to radical 8 minus 5x. So, what do we know about this so far? Well, we know that 0, of course, has to be less than or equal to 8 minus 5x, which of course is in the radical. And we say that because what's in the radical needs to be a positive number, and all positive numbers are greater than 0. So then what we do is we just multiply them by an exponent of 2, everything in the equation, to get rid of the radical, of course, and we still get 0 is less than or equal to 8 minus 5x. So then we just do some simple steps, just add 5x to both sides, get 5x is less than or equal to 8, then divide by 5, and then we get x is less than or equal to 8 over 5. And so this brings us to our answer, which is negative infinity, comma, 8 over 5. And this is because, if you look closely here, you see that x is less than or equal to 8 over 5. And then, of course, because of the equal sign down here, there's a bracket around 8 over 5. And if it looked like parentheses earlier, that was just a magician playing tricks on you. It was really a bracket the whole time over here. Alright, so our final answer is everything less than 8 over 5, including 8 over 5. So this is our final answer right here. That's a bad star mention there again. Here we go. I'm going to do it on all fours. So yeah, that's our answer. We hope you like this video because we're staying late in the library right now working on it. And hopefully you learned a lot. Thank you.